Damn. Just walk over there and kick the fucker.
just try to throw it down really hard.
Rambo.
I'm pretty sure shooting from the hip's not going to get it, man.
Yeah, eventually it will.
Eventually.
All right, try the red dot.
Somebody have another clip? I was about out of ammo.
It's for close range. Put it on like 10, 9, something like that. Wow!
That really hurt.
I told you, close range.
This is definitely our safety first video.
Wow. Let's do that again. Farther away though.
This time.
I got some shrapnel, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it all over.
I got shrapnel.
Was that glass or plastic?
Probably plastic.
That one's definitely getting posted.
Hey Adam, I hit the little square with the red dot once out of 2 shots.
Did you?
Yeah. Probably an accident. You got it.